Hey guys, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Sadia. If you're new here, so welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to reviewing my new foundation. This is a L'Oreal Paris foundation, 24 hours coverage foundation, and it's good for all type of skin. It's give you a very good and full foundation coverage. If you're going to any wedding or any party or any occasion, you can use this foundation as well. And it's hide your any pigmentation if you have, or any scar, any pimples. Let's get start our video, but before, please subscribe, like and share this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video. So let's get start our video. So first I'm going to prime my face, and for a primer I'm going to use this Elf Hydrate Balm, and this is a primer. And now I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to use this foundation. This is a very matte foundation. So like यहाँ पे मैं इतना सा ये ले रही हूँ, और now I'm going to apply all over my face. Ooh. You can use this foundation if you are going to any wedding or any party. So it's really good for this because आपको ये देता है पूरा total full coverage. आप देख सकते हैं मेरा फेस पे में बिल्कुल भी केकी लुक बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है, और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से जो है ये सेट हुआ है. मैं इसको लेकर लिटिल बिट मोर ब्लेंड करूंगी, क्योंकि ब्लेंडिंग जो है आपकी मोस्ट जो है पार्ट होता है. अगर आप ब्लेंड नहीं करेंगे अपने फाउंडेशन को अच्छे से, आपके जो फाउंडेशन है अच्छा नहीं दिख बैठेगा और वो केकी लुक दिखाएगा. Here I'm done my foundation. You can see here my finishing. It's really good. You cannot see any cakey look on my face, and you can see the shiny look on my bone area. See, so overall I like this foundation. So move on my next step, and I'm going to use this concealer, and this is a Makeup Revolution concealer. Number is C12. I'm going to apply on my under eye area. And my nose. सेटिंग पाउडर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस NYC का सेटिंग पाउडर, और इसको मैं लेके अप्लाई करूंगी अपने ऑल ओवर द फेस. ये है स्मूथ स्किन के लिए और लूज पाउडर है. ये इस तरह से होता है. एल्फ के ब्रश की हेल्प से इसको मैं अपने अंडर आई एरिया पे अप्लाई करूंगी. For a contour, I'm going to use this Maybelline contour palette. I'm going to take this और मैं इसको अप्लाई करूंगी ऐसे ही जैसे कर रही हूँ टैपिंग में. For a blush on, I'm going to take this blush on from Note Cosmetics, and number is 05, and this is a Desert Rose blush on. Color is really pretty, you can see here. And for a highlighter, I'm going to take this highlighter from Huda Cosmetics, and this is a 3D highlighter palette. I'm going to take this Azuro color and apply on my cheekbone. And here now I'm going to take this lipstick, and this is from a Revlon, and number is 052, and the name of this lipstick is Slow Stopper. This is a very beautiful and bright color. So oh, so here I'm done, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any video.